Hey y'all, it's your girl Chi-Town. Today we're visiting Hairville with an installation video from Hot Beauty Hair. I'm installing their burgundy color closure wig in 20 inches. To do my bald cap, I'm using the Got2b Freeze Spray and the Got2b Ultra Glued Invincible Styling Gel. So now I'm going to cut the wig cap. You want to make sure that the product is completely dry before you do this process. Sometimes you may have a little bit of lifting in the front of the wig cap, and that's okay. You just put a little more product on there to lay it back down. So here I'm just laying down those small sections on the wig cap that lift it up. Now I'm taking my chestnut lace blending spray from the wig dealer to tint my lace. I'll be using Ghost Bond glue for my installation today, and I ordered mine on Amazon. I'm using 3 layers of the Ghost Bond glue, and you want to make sure that each layer dries clear before applying the next one. Now it's time to lay the lace down, and make sure you take your time while doing this step. Here you'll see me taking my comb to press the lace into the glue. Now I'm taking my elastic band that I got from Amazon and tying it so I can melt the lace into the glue. I promise y'all it's not this difficult to put on. It was just this difficult for me for some reason. Now that I've finally got the band on, I'm going to go ahead and flat iron my hair with my golden hot flat iron. You'll see me doing the comb chase method, and that just means to comb through your hair first and follow with the flat iron. For me, it's giving me the best results and it's gotten the hair as straight as possible. Can we all take a minute to admire this color? I'm a big fan of red and burgundy, and this is so pretty. I know a lot of you are probably wondering why I'm handling the hair this way, and I just want to let you know I didn't have any issues with tangling or shedding. This little section right here was easy to comb out. It was nothing to comb that out. While we're passing time, I'm just going to show you guys the wig right here. And if you place an order, make sure you use my code for 15% off. It's Shy with 2 eyes. We are almost done. Just bear with me a little bit longer. If you don't mind, while you're waiting, hit that subscribe button, like, share this video to your friends, and let me know what you want to see. Drop some comments for me. Now I'm going to take this elastic band off so I can cut the lace. So I'm doing a technique that has worked well for me. I like to cut the lace into sections and then cut it across the hairline. Make sure you don't cut straight across. Cut it in a zigzag pattern so that'll help it look a little more natural. I'm also parting a little bit of the hair because I've watched a bunch of videos and I've learned that cutting a little bit behind the hairline also helps with the illusion. So I cut the other half off camera, and I want to mention that there was very little shedding with this unit. density of this wig is 180% and it has a 4x4 lace parting space. I do want to mention that all Hot Beauty hair wigs can be worn glueless. They come with the elastic bands in the back. Now I'm taking my She Is Bomb hair wax stick. I got this on Amazon. I'm using it to help lay down this area around the part. I had to repeat this step a few times just to get the look that I was going for. So now I'm going to plug my part just a little bit. If anyone has any plugging tips for me, please comment them because I'm very new to this, but I just wanted to try to define the part a little more. Now I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer and I'm just applying a little to the part to help define it. Now I'm going to work on the front of the wig a little bit because I don't like how it's laying down. You're going to see me use the wax stick, the hot comb, and the elastic band. I've gotten my left, your right side to lay down flat, and I'm going to get the other side to do that. And we are almost done with this installation. I'm going to tie this elastic band on my hair, comb the hair down to the side, tie it up, and go to sleep. See you in the morning. this unit. The color is beautiful, the hair is soft, it's full. I don't see anything wrong with it at all. I definitely recommend Hot Beauty Hair. And remember, if you place an order, to use my code. Thanks so much for watching my installation video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you next time.